We divide 673 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 3 and it is 23. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 673 divided by 5 is 134.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.